Alright, I'm back. There's the 27 number I was telling you about. The other bird is asleep behind the water bowl. Sleeping like a little baby. But this one, no shadows. Oh, look, see the bird? I got some water, Brian. It's tasty. That's tasty. You hear me? This is just a regular pigeon. It don't do no tricks from heaven. It's just a regular pigeon you can catch outside, if you can catch one. They're like little fat chickens, you know. I'm not a homing pigeon, Brian. Oh, I heard it pop behind me. They tried to go on the vent downstairs. Probably tried to touch my hat. But I want to show you what it's like when you poke a bird. Okay, it's like Putin. You want to poke Putin? You want to go around poking Putin? Come on, Brian, come on. Oh, you're a mean bird. Ah, no. Ah, oh. See, I've been poking the bird for a while now. Come on, ow. No, that bird used to squeal. Go, no, you know, like the little nesty bird squealing, mama, 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 mama. This bird's a street bird now. Come on. I'm gonna peck you, Brian, God. I'm gonna peck you. Oh, I can't even touch the bird anymore. The bird would hit me with a wing, you know, do the elbow thing. Come on. Ow. Oh, ow. See, if you go around poking birds, oh, too slow. Come on. Ow. Oh, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, see, the bird losing the little squealy voice. They make little squeals. See, if you go around poking birds, ow! The bird's faster than my finger. That's what's gonna happen. They're gonna bite back. That's the Brian God Putin test. It's just like a bird. See? You don't want to stick any fingers at Putin.